Introducing the MHP Fleet Executor, revolutionizing production logistics at Porsche. Porsche, renowned for its precision engineering and performance, has once again pushed the boundaries of innovation with the introduction of the MHP Fleet Executor at its Zuffenhausen plant. Representing a significant milestone in the company's history, this centralized fleet management system is set to redefine efficiency and flexibility in production logistics. Imagine a seamlessly orchestrated dance of machinery, where automated guided vehicles, AGVs, glide effortlessly through the factory floor, carrying out up to 1,600 material transports per day, spanning a distance of 750 meters. This choreography is made possible by the MHP Fleet Executor, a cloud-based solution integrated into Porsche's existing IT infrastructure. Coordinating lifts, gates, and systems with precision, the Fleet Executor ensures smooth operations within the plant. It navigates a labyrinth of assets, including lifts, high-speed doors, and intersecting third-party systems, optimizing every movement for maximum efficiency. Henning Heebsch, partner and business owner of Fleet Executor at MHP, emphasizes the groundbreaking nature of this architecture. Customized to meet Porsche's exacting standards, the solution guarantees uninterrupted production supply, all while maintaining intuitive usability for operators. But the journey to this technological marvel was not without its challenges. A collaborative effort involving 4 parties and over 100 participants, the project required seamless integration with internal and external systems. Yet, despite the complexity, the Fleet Executor seamlessly transitioned into automatic operation, a testament to its robust design and meticulous planning. Mark Loskin, head of Porsche brand logistics, reflects on the project's rapid realization within a mere 9 months. With plants 2 and 3 already benefiting from its capabilities since June 2023, the Fleet Executor's impact is set to expand further. Future projects, including support for the assembly of the Porsche Taycan in BAU 70, promise to elevate production logistics to new heights. A representative talked about improvements in the Porsche Taycan production process at the Zuffenhausen plant. One of the newest ideas and solutions is the use of robots to close holes in the car body with adhesive buttons, helping to spread anti-rust protection to every small gap in the car body automatically. This idea was inspired by the way employees in convenience stores use machines to attach prices to products. The goal is to find a way to close the holes without pushing in a piece of rubber and to do so automatically using a robot. 2 robotic arms can now close 106 of the 143 holes in the body of the Taycan in just 3 minutes, with a special amount of pressure used to seal the holes with a special glue developed by experts. Tesa Glue. This innovation brings many benefits, including reducing pressure on workers on the production line through improved working conditions and reducing the number of button types used from 5 to 2, helping to increase safety. Hole process. This technology will also be applied at the Leipzig plant to other vehicle models in the future, bringing benefits in terms of energy savings, improved working conditions, and increased process safety. With the MHP Fleet Executor seamlessly integrated into Porsche's operations, the benefits are tangible and transformative. Efficiency gains of up to 20% are not just aspirational targets but a reality, as the software optimizes every aspect of intralogistics within the plant. Transparency and resilience are the cornerstones of this innovation. By providing a clear view of operations on the shop floor, the Fleet Executor empowers Porsche with the insights needed to refine processes continually. This heightened visibility also translates into enhanced system availability, thanks to a robust suite of special and emergency functions that ensure operations continue smoothly, even in the face of challenges. Moreover, the Fleet Executor isn't just a tool for efficiency, it's a catalyst for sustainability. By streamlining operations and reducing the need for traditional transport methods such as heavy goods vehicles, HGVs, Porsche is making significant strides towards minimizing its environmental footprint. Albrecht Raymold, member of the Executive Board for Production and Logistics at Porsche AG, underscores this commitment, highlighting how the software-controlled transport systems contribute to sustainability efforts while enhancing efficiency and flexibility. But the benefits don't stop there. Cost reduction through process-optimized energy management represents yet another avenue for maximizing returns on investment. By leveraging the Fleet Executor's capabilities, Porsche can fine-tune energy consumption, further bolstering its bottom line. The MHP Fleet Executor isn't just a technological solution, it's a strategic imperative. By harnessing its power, Porsche not only enhances its operational efficiency but also reaffirms its commitment to sustainability and innovation, paving the way for a future where excellence knows no bounds. With the introduction of the MHP Fleet Executor, MHP is not just offering a solution, it's pioneering a new era of cross-manufacturer fleet management. In an age where automated guided vehicles, AGVs, are becoming increasingly prevalent in optimizing intralogistics, the need for unified fleet management software has never been greater. Fleet Executor rises to this challenge, providing centralized control for an entire fleet, regardless of manufacturer or communication interface. This innovative cloud solution represents more than just a technological advancement. It marks a strategic shift for MHP. Evolving from a consulting firm to a full-service IT and software provider, MHP is at the forefront of driving digital transformation across industries. Since spring 2023, MHP has been offering software as a service (SaaS) solutions in collaboration with technology and industry partners. Among these offerings is the MHP Fleet Executor, a flagship product within the new Industrial Cloud Solutions (ICS) portfolio. The ICS products embody MHP's extensive experience and expertise, delivering ready-to-use software solutions tailored for automotive, manufacturing, and logistics sectors. These solutions streamline processes, enabling companies to embark on their digitalization journey with minimal effort. And the journey doesn't end there. MHP is committed to continuous improvement and innovation. The Fleet Executor, for instance, has undergone significant enhancements since its inception, with feedback and insights gained from pioneering implementations like the one at Porsche driving its evolution. Now, with successful proofs of concept and go-lives at Porsche, the impact of Fleet Executor is felt across the entire value chain. From production to logistics, the benefits are clear: increased efficiency, enhanced flexibility, and seamless integration of diverse AGV fleets. The MHP Fleet Executor isn't just a solution for today's challenges. It's a beacon guiding industries towards a future of interconnected, streamlined operations. And as MHP continues to innovate and collaborate, the possibilities for digital transformation are limitless. The premiere of Porsche's first all-electric sports car is also accompanied by major changes to the traditional location. The urban location makes the spatial distribution of the various lines of work across the entire company premises necessary. For example, the new body shop, located at the heart of the site, will be joined by the buildings erected to the west for the electric drive and component production, as well as a new paint shop. In the northeast is the Building 70, a multi-story assembly. The painted bodies and drive components reach the assembly building by means of a 900-meter connecting conveyor bridge, unaffected by weather and without impairing public transport. The loading logistics for the finished Taycan are located east of the Building 70. Porsche pays the highest attention to sustainability in all its aspects. Production on the site is carbon dioxide neutral. The energy-efficient buildings are well below the statutory energy requirements. All roofs of the new buildings are landscaped and partly equipped with photovoltaic systems. Biogas-powered combined heat and power plants supply the site with heat and additional electricity. Increasingly electrified logistics vehicles and rail transport powered by green electricity reduce CO emissions in logistics. Added to this, there are a host of other measures, with which Porsche is pursuing the goal of the Zero Impact Factory, a production without environmental influences.